3, 2, 1. Welcome to the New Era Mindset. Today I want to talk to you guys about the reality of things, about who will become successful, who will not, and who can and who cannot. And the reality of things is not everybody will. I believe that everybody has the potential necessary to make things happen. If you have a dream, you can make that a reality if you just put in the work. All right. But the reality of things is that not everybody will become what they want to become. And it's not because you can't. Everybody wants great things. Everybody wants to have a really nice car. Everybody wants to have a big home. You know, everybody wants to have those really luxurious vacations. Everybody wants to have this lifestyle of prosperity and of wealth and enjoy their lives to the fullest and do the things that they never thought they could, right? Everybody wants all this. Not everybody is willing to do the work. But everybody has the potential. You're just not willing to do the work. You're not willing to put in the time to learn, to develop, to practice new techniques, to practice new things, to take on new activities that will get you where you want to be. It's all about whether or not you are willing to put in the work, to put in the hours, to just go and get it done. That's the problem. It's not that you don't have it in you. It's not that you were born somebody who lacked the things necessary to be able to have the life that you want. If you decide that you want to just take on your dreams, that you decide that you're just gonna see what's the best way you can go about things that will move you closer to being who you want to be, to getting to where you want to go. If you just decide that you're gonna go ahead and take on those challenges and start putting time into those things and putting the work and just gonna go all in about making your dreams a reality, you can get it done. It's in you. It's in you. You have that. You have what it takes. You have all that you need. I don't agree with the people that say that some people are born this or some people are born that. I believe that you can take your own route. Believing that I can be whatever I choose to be allows me to be flexible in which way I want to go with my life. Now, I do say follow your passion, follow the thing that you love to do. Don't go on and do something just because of the money, right? Do what you love. Okay, do the things that you love and you will find prosperity in that thing that you enjoy doing. I feel like all of us can find something that we are passionate about. All of us can, and we can become extremely successful at it. But you can't just love something and semi-do it and expect to be successful. There's work that comes with it, and that's where people fall. That's where people tend to just give up. They don't see the bigger picture in which they are having way better lives because they decided to do an extremely amount of work for a period of time in order to, in the long run, find themselves in the life that they actually wanted to live all along. That's all it is. You have the potential to do whatever you want to do. Now, whether or not you do the work, that's on you. It's completely on you. Now the question is, will you do the work? Will you do what it takes? I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.